Good morning. Well, it's going to be a great day today. Sun's out, not a cloud in the sky. The wind's not blowing 75 miles an hour. It's going to be an awesome day. I'm going to grab my wife. We're going to head on down to Whataburger Field. They're having an event for children, which is called Touch a Truck. They're going to have all kinds of construction equipment, emergency vehicles, all types of different equipment that the kids can actually walk up to, touch, and get educated by the people there on site, and get to walk around, probably even sit in a few seats and whatnot. But it's going to be a really neat event. So I'm excited about it. We're going to head that way and hopefully grab some coffee and stop by, and I'll get y'all some more content of the event. We'll talk to you soon. Out. What a great event. Just left the Touch a Truck event for the kids. Saw a ton of smiles, a lot of kids, happy kids getting in and out of trucks and equipment and blowing the horn. I think I have a headache now. But anyway, it was a great event. Lots of volunteers, lots of people, lots of equipment brought out there. Appreciate all of them and everybody that participated in that. That is awesome. Y'all did a good deed. Like I said, a bunch of smiley faces and kids running around. So it was a great show. But anyway, we're out. We're going to go grab something to eat. Y'all have a great day. Later.